We have got a patient here who is diabetic and is, how old are you, ma'am?
I'll be 59 on Sunday.
Lovely. And she has been having pain in her Achilles tendon for a long time.
2.5 years.
And how bad was the pain? 0, no pain, and 10, worst pain?
Average 9.
And we have tried several things, including physiotherapy and GTN patches as well.
Yes.
And did they help you? Or
No.
No, they
Not
didn't
at
help,
all.
or did they help you a little bit and then got worse again, or no difference
No, I
at all?
found it didn't really help at all.
And then, how long ago did you have a high volume image guided injection given by me under ultrasound guidance? How many weeks ago was that?
I think it's 5 weeks today.
5 weeks. And how's immediately first 24 hours after the injection, and how is it now, the pain?
Absolutely no pain at all.
Right, okay. And we still have the lump present there, which we can see. So if you would be ever so kind to kneel on the chair, then I'll show that how the... So when we're doing the squeeze test, it's moving your Achilles tendon, not causing any pain. The lump is there. Is it painful? No. And then if we go here, is this painful?
Slightly.
Slightly painful here. But it's not painful here, which was really painful when we examined you last time. Yeah. Okay, so it's still early days, so hopefully it would continue to get better. But how would you describe your pain now out of 10?
0.
And how much was the pain before the injection?
Probably about a 9.
9. Okay, lovely. Fantastic. Thank you ever so much for your help.